Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Pearson and Excel International Maths by Mr. Kamoto. And in this video, I want us to discuss Pure Mathematics 2, page 33, and I want to explain example 9. And we are still dealing with the coordinate geometry in Pure Mathematics 2. And in this particular subtopic, we're talking about intersections of straight line and circles. So therefore, we are faced with a question that is asking us to show um, show that the line with equation y is equals to x minus 7 does not meet the circle x plus 2 squared plus y squared is equals to 33. Of course, it goes without saying this is a circle whose center is minus 2, 0, because we can see A is minus 2 and B is 0. And of course, the radius is the root of 33. That one should be very automatic. But anyway, what we are expected to show is that this line, x minus 7, does not meet. How do we do this? We are faced with two simultaneous equations, one linear and one nonlinear. And the best way to solve these two types of equation is by substitution method. So if you may talk about y is equals to x minus 7 as equation 1 and x plus 2 squared plus y squared is equals to 33, call it equation 2, then we can easily say substitute 1 in 2. And if it passes through the circle or intersect the circle, then we are going to find out the points of intersection. If it doesn't intersect the circle, like in this case, then obviously we are supposed to know by the virtue of our calculation. And of course, let's talk about x minus 7 plus 2, which is y. So x plus 2 and y becomes x minus 7. Of course, squared is equals to 33. And it goes without saying, that we are having, this is squared, we are having x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equals to x squared minus 14x plus 49, not equals to, rather plus, this is a plus there, so there's a plus here. Now the equal sign comes over there. So you can already see that we have the like terms. We can collect all of them together. X squared plus x squared, we have 2x squared. 4x minus 14x, we get minus 10x plus 4 plus 49, that is 53. 53 minus 33, that is 20. So plus 20 is 0. And it goes without saying that this is directly a quadratic equation, and we can solve it just like that. But before we can go further, we can see that we can divide throughout by 2 to have x squared minus 5x plus 10 is equals to 0. We may try out the factorization method, but it is difficult to get two numbers we multiply, they give us 10, and two numbers we add, the same numbers we add, they give us a minus 5. They are not there. At least they are not whole numbers. So quickly, we need to resolve to the quadratic method, and this is the best approach to give this question, because if the line does not cut or does not meet the circle, then the discriminant is going to simply show that. So let's talk about x is equals to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac everything over 2a. That we know. So in this case, our x becomes, our minus b is 5 plus minus 5 squared, which is 25, minus 4ac minus 4 times 1 times 10. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 10 is 40. So minus 40. Everything over 2 times 1, where a is 1. Definitely, due to the fact that we do not have, because this one is taking us x is equals to 5 plus minus the root of 25 minus 40, which is minus 15, everything over 2. You can already see that this is not possible. It is not possible. This is not possible, and therefore we cannot solve this question further. We do not have the values of x. Now that we have no roots of negative numbers, it follows that the discriminant, which is b squared, which is 25 minus 40, b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, because you can already see it's negative 15. So the line does not, cannot be solved, or rather it has no solutions, and therefore the line y is equals to x minus 7 does not meet the circle x plus 2 squared plus y squared is equals to 33. That is simply the conclusion to that question. But you can already see we've been given a lot of confidence, having realized that we do not have the square root of negative numbers, and we remember automatically that anytime the discriminant is less than 0, as in this particular case, then we don't have solutions of that particular quadratic equation, and therefore that means we cannot solve it. And if we can't solve it, then the line does not meet the circle at any given point. Once again, visit my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share widely, and follow me as we explain the whole of Pearson Edexcel International syllabus, both IGCSE and International Advanced Level syllabuses. All right.